DNN comes with plenty of great functionality that you can use to build your website and maintain it over time. But sometimes you need to add more functionality to do things that you can't do out of the box. Luckily, there's a great ecosystem of extensions out there that allow you to do all kinds of things that you can imagine. Installing one of these extensions is quite easy. First, you'll need to find the extension that you want and download it. In this case, I'm going to install the Media module. The Media module is a community module, formerly known as core modules, if you see that out there in the forums. In order to download it, we simply go to the releases link and download the install version. I've already downloaded it at this time. In order to install or upgrade any extension, you follow the same steps. All extensions for DNN install and upgrade using the same packages, so you don't need to look for an upgrade package. In order to upgrade, go to the settings portion of the persona bar and choose extensions. At this point, you'll see all the extensions that you currently have installed, the version that they are, whether or not they're in use at the moment, and depending on your settings for your website, you'll see if there's an upgrade available. Click Install Extension to begin. I've already downloaded this, so I can choose to click to upload, or I can also drag and drop. The module has uploaded. I'm clicking Next. You'll be able to see all the details about the package, including what it's named, the version, and who maintains it. Click Next. If there are any release notes, you can review them at this time. It's a good idea to do that because sometimes there are details that might impact the decision of whether or not you want to install this extension. Click Next to continue. If there is a license, at this time you should review it. And if you agree with it, check the checkbox to accept the license and click Next. A summary of all the details of the installation process or the upgrade process will be shown at this time. Feel free to scroll through it if you'd like. The most important part is to look to see if the installation was successful. You'll also see these details just above this box. Click Done to finish. At this time, it'll take a few moments for your website to refresh. Most extensions will cause this delay, and that's just simply how ASP.NET works. At this time, you can close the persona bar and choose to use the module just like you do any other module.